Let me tell you something. Nobody told you when you started trading. You are not unlucky. You are not bad at trading. You are not missing something small. You are liquidity. Retail traders think the market moves randomly. It doesn't. It moves with intention, as big institutions like banks and hedge funds cannot enter trades like you do. Liquidity is simply orders sitting in the market, encompassing buy stops, sell stops, and pending orders. And when price runs above equal highs and immediately drops, that's not a breakout, that's a liquidity sweep. Let's be honest. You've seen this scenario before where price consolidates, you see resistance, you place a sell order with your stop loss above the high, only for the price to spike up, stop you out, and then drop without you. Institutions don't chase breakouts. They create them by pushing price into liquidity zones to fill orders, trigger stops, and create momentum before reversing the move. Here's the shift. Stop trading the obvious move, and instead of asking where will price go, ask where are retail traders trapped, looking for equal highs, equal lows, obvious breakout zones, and obvious trend lines. You are not stupid. You were just taught the wrong side of the market, where indicators don't show liquidity and basic support or resistance doesn't reveal manipulation. But structure does, and that's where smart money concepts come into play. In the description below, I've shared the tools I personally use to spot liquidity zones and market structure faster, inviting you to study them, apply discipline, and stop being liquidity. If this opened your eyes, like the video, comment liquidity and subscribe, because part 2 is where we expose stop hunts in detail, promising that next episode we go deeper, and trust me, it gets uncomfortable. As we conclude this first part, remember that understanding the market's true intentions is key. It's not just about making trades, but recognizing the patterns and traps laid by larger forces at play. This journey into smart money concepts is just beginning, and as you apply these insights, each decision will become more informed, leading to a more disciplined approach to trading amidst the chaos. Embrace the discomfort of learning, and remember that every setback is an opportunity to refine your skills and strategies, guiding you closer to becoming a more adept trader in the marketplace. Participating in this journey not only equips you with the tools to navigate the market effectively, but also fosters a community of like-minded individuals seeking success in their trading endeavors. As you continue to absorb these teachings and implement them into your practice, remember that each step forward is part of a larger journey toward mastering the markets and achieving financial independence. Building relationships within the trading community allows for shared knowledge and support, enhancing your journey as you learn from others and refine your own trading strategies. In this ever-evolving landscape of trading, staying informed and continuously improving your understanding of market mechanics is crucial for long-term success and resilience. As you adopt these principles and shift your perspective, each trading day becomes an opportunity to grow, refine your skills, and ultimately achieve the success you seek in the financial markets. Remember, trading is not just about winning. It's about understanding your mistakes, learning from them, and continuously evolving as you navigate the complexities of the market. Engaging with mentors and utilizing advanced trading technologies can propel your learning forward, providing you with invaluable insights and tools to better navigate market challenges. Keeping a trading journal not only helps to document your journey, but also fosters self-awareness, allowing you to identify patterns in your behavior and make adjustments that enhance your performance. Finding balance in your trading routine is essential. Establishing a structured daily practice helps you stay focused, organized, and emotionally grounded amid the market's unpredictability. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and engaging with fellow traders fosters an environment of motivation and collaboration, further enhancing your journey toward trading mastery. Cultivating a mindful approach to trading, where you take moments to center yourself, allows for better decision-making and a clearer perspective on market movements. As your skills evolve, sharing your knowledge with others not only reinforces your understanding, but also contributes to the collective growth of the trading community. Embracing technology and setting clear goals helps streamline your trading process, enabling you to make informed decisions and stay aligned with your long-term vision. Keeping abreast of economic news and events empowers you to anticipate market shifts, allowing for more strategic entries and exits in your trades. Celebrating wins, no matter how small, fosters a positive mindset, reinforcing the importance of community support and recognition in your journey as a trader.